Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today we will learn about integrating AI in Excel. That's it. If these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Just for a quick info, if you want to upskill yourself to master business analytics skills and land your dream job or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various business analytics programs. Simplilearn offers postgraduate program in business analytics from Purdue University in collaboration with Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Through this program, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like prescriptive and predictive analytics, regression, classification, and over a dozen others. That's not all. You also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from industry experts in top-tier product companies and academics from top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into a business analytics role as a fresher or moved on to a higher paying job profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below to find out a business analytics program that fits your experience and areas of interest. Now, without further delay, let's get started with our tutorial for today, which is about integrating AI into your day-to-day operations in Excel. Now, let's quickly switch to the Excel workbook. Now, here I have a simple basic Excel workbook, and to demonstrate the power and potential of integrating AI into your Excel spreadsheet, we are performing a small minor operation over here where we just have few results, right? The students, their department, and their percentage. Now, we are going to calculate the result if they pass or fail. Now, you might be telling me, or you might wonder, this is just a very simple if formula. Why do you want to integrate an AI into this? Now the specialty is, let's say you are a beginner in business analytics or data analytics, and even though if you're a beginner, you might figure out the formula, but let's say you don't have any idea on generating a new formula altogether. It's like asking a question to ChatGPT. So here the AI editor that we are going to integrate with Excel is related to ChatGPT, and it's built on ChatGPT. So basically it will give you a query editor where you can just write your query in very simple terms, like you're just talking to Excel, right? In the same way like you talk to ChatGPT. Ask AI editor to give you a formula to identify column D numbers and give you a result in column E. So let's get started on how it can be done. So it's really simple. Go to the home bar, and here you can see add ends option. Just click on that, and here we have the AI editor. In case if you don't find it, just you can just download any of the GPT for Excel. So just click on this button over here, and you will get a search window. Just type down AI editor or something. So you can just get one of those. Just press enter. So I'm using the first recommendation, AI editor, formula editor. But you can choose any one of these, right? ChatGPT or Excel. We've got multiple ones. So I'm using the first one. It's already added into my workbook. So let's quickly go to the AI editor, formula editor. You might have to create your Microsoft account and try to log in, right? So here I have the AI generator, right? Now you can just write it down in your own terms. You can use your local language, you can use Excel, anything. Just write it down the way you want it, right? You can just type down, give me an Excel formula to identify if the students passed the exam or not. Result, percentage greater than or percentage greater than or equal to 35% is pass, and percentage less than 35 is fail is your parameter. Are your parameters. Just submit it, and it will give you a query or a formula which you can just copy and paste into the Excel cell or workbook. Here we have one. You can just copy it the way it is, just paste it over here. So in place of A1, you're supposed to use percentage. Enter. Now you have the results. Pass, fail, right? So it is, we did not specify the column number here, right? In case if we have specified the column number or column header, which is basically D over here. So we named it as percentage. So it did not, and another thing to recognize, we did not convert this into table. So basic few things, but overall, you are getting a readily available formula which is completely flawless. You can also experiment this particular feature of AI-aided formula editor with some complex advanced Excel tricks as well. Should you feel that we should prepare one of the tutorials on advanced Excel formulas, which are AI-aided formula editor based videos, please do let us know in the comment section below and we will get that done for you. And with that, we have come to an end of this session on integrating AI with Microsoft Excel. Should you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, or if you require any of the resources like the add-ons, PPT, dataset, etc., please do let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.